After a long winter season, you'll need to get your snow thrower ready for storage. Here are 3 things you can do to prepare your snow thrower for next winter. The first step is to clean your snow thrower. Remove all the salt and debris that may have accumulated over the winter. Apply some light oil or grease to the parts they may rust or seize. Next, lubricate your snow thrower. To oil the hex shaft, you will first need to use a siphon pump to remove any gas from the fuel tank. Then, tip the snow thrower forward and remove the lower frame cover for access to the shaft. Lightly oil the hex shaft, being careful not to get oil on the drive plate or rubber friction wheel. Finally, it is recommended that you store your snow thrower with a full tank of fresh, stabilized gas. A fuel stabilizer should be added to the gas before filling your tank. The stabilizer creates a barrier between the gas and the atmosphere to prevent oxidation, moisture contamination, and fuel separation. You'll want to run your engine for 3 to 5 minutes to get the fresh fuel with stabilizer into the carburetor. Old fuel left in the fuel system can lead to serious engine problems next winter. Don't forget to top off the fuel tank again after running the engine. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful equipment tips from Troy-Bilt.